If you have an area in your home that you so badly want to renovate, but you just can't find the time, or maybe the whole thing just seems really overwhelming, then this video and this series is for you. I'm Jackie from So Bright Home. I'm a mom of two. I work from home. Life is chaotic and I get it. There's just not enough time for all the things. But I knew I needed to find a way to renovate my son's bedroom because he has allergies and we had to rip the carpet out. So I asked myself, what is reasonable in any given day? What's something that I can actually commit to accomplishing? And I'm feeling overwhelmed. What I do is I break things down into 15 minutes. Dedicate 15 minutes to that particular thing. So I decided on a whim one night when I ripped up the carpet, I'll show you the video, that I'm gonna renovate my son's bedroom in 15-minute intervals. I'm recording this after I am actually complete to show you exactly how, because I know that it is possible to renovate a bedroom in 15-minute intervals. The videos are raw, unfiltered. Sometimes I'm in my pajamas, often I'm in the dark. So you're gonna kind of get it all. Let's dive in. It's 8 o'clock. I'm in my son's room. I decided to start ripping up the carpet. Look what I found. Why? You know, you know. So after the first night I went in there, I found linoleum underneath of the carpet. It's most likely asbestos containing. I will not be ripping it up. I'm just going to be covering over it like the last people did. If it's not disturbed, it's fine. Trust me, I know you don't need to get your panties in a knot. The next video is the next night and my first 15 minutes of working in the bedroom. I don't know about you, but I'm having a hard time getting motivated to do things around here. Challenging myself to 15 minutes every day in my son's room. There we go. Minutes and I already want to quit, but I'm not going to. Oh no. 6 minutes. Okay, I'm trying to rip this out, but I guess I gotta clean out the closet now. Oh, I'm in the closet. I'm almost done, honey. Okay. 12 minutes. We have a problem. In the closet here, this divider, I cut out that baseboard. So I put the baseboard on first and then put this on. That baseboard on the back will not come off because this closet is built on top of it. What am I gonna do? That concludes my 15 minutes for tonight. So much carpet I got off. tiny bites of the elephant. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to see tomorrow's 15-minute reno and how much I got done.